Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be creating a snake, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a curved line like this. So I already have mine on my piece of paper. Make a wide curved line like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down a little bit in and then come out and then stop like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Come in, come out, and come in. All right, this is going to be the face of our snake. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to come down on this side of our snake and we're going to make a curved line, coming in just a little bit. And we're not going to go to the edge of our paper, so make sure that you don't go all the way to the end. Now here we're going to make the other side of our snake. We're going to come down with a curved line, almost to the edge of our paper, curve back up, and then go like this. I know it's kind of tricky, but let's do that again. So we come down with a curved line, we follow through, we go almost to the edge of our paper, and then we come back up, and then we hit this initial line right there in the middle. You might need some practice with this particular step. So be patient with yourself, and you can erase if you need to. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back over onto this side. We're going to kind of follow this line and we're going to come out this side with a slightly curved line like this. So it's kind of like this line. Go back behind that snake and then come out the other side. Now we're going to attach to this line right here, about in this area, a curved line that comes around like this. That's a little bit tricky too. So this is basically the snake's head and the first part of his body, and it's kind of curving around this way and then this way. And then where's his tail? You would think that his tail would be kind of stuck behind his body, but we're going to stick it out this way. So it's going to be like an upside down V shape. All right, let's put some detail on our snake. So we know that a snake has a mouth, so let's make a mouth towards the bottom of this shape. So let's go up and down, and then coming out of his mouth, we're going to make a tongue. So two curved lines, and then an upside down V. Let's make some nostrils. And then let's make some eyes, kind of wide set. I'm going to make this nostril a little bit bigger, this one a little bit wider. I want them to be a little bit more even. There we go. Let's put a little bit of detail on his body. Now remember, this is your artwork. So if you'd like to make different types of detail, go ahead and do that. You can make some diamonds, you can make some stripes all the way down. It's completely up to you. Maybe I'll even put some stripes here. There we go. Alrighty friends, I'll see you next time.